Hey everyone, Bloft is now live on the iPadOS and MacOS App Store. When you launch it, you are faced with a quick instruction guide on how to use it. You can open up your windows by clicking on the top there, and we've basically got 4 different windows. We've got our block palette that we can drag over, a little bit like Scratch. We've got a range of different movements and change of visual appearance. Now, you'll notice that on those blocks, you'll also see a little pencil icon. That's where you can change the parameters. So if I wanted to change Bloftly, who is on the right there, little character, to black, I can do that and press done. So you can edit any of the parameters within those different code blocks. Now, I can click on at any stage or tap on, on my iPad, depending if I'm on a Mac or an iPad. I can tap on Bloftly on the right-hand side there, and I can execute the code and preview. It's in the preview screen, top right-hand corner. Now, as I'm doing this little animation, the great thing about this is it's producing all of the Swift code at the bottom right-hand corner window that you can copy and bring into Swift Playgrounds later on. So this app basically aims to start to get the transition of block code through to Swift and for students to see the parallels, what the code is actually doing, and what is the code that's being produced as I'm using that. So as I make it that a bit bigger, I can tap on Bloftly. You can see there he moves 50, changes color, spins, and then moves back because I put a -50 there. Now what we can do down the bottom, let's get to the really interesting part. Oh, by the way, we can reset. If I copy that code and I jump into Swift Playgrounds, you'll be able to see in a minute, you can see there that I'm just having a quick look at the code to see where everything is with the comments and the great instructions in the code as well. But if I jump into Swift Playgrounds and I go to new code, new playground, let's make a new app. And all I'm gonna do, super easy, right? In the content view, we're just going to select all of that and delete it, and we're just gonna paste. So I've just pasted that code straight in, and on the right-hand side, in a minute there, Bloftly is. He comes up, or it comes up, and when I tap on him, he executes and does everything that was in the block code. Now, this is where the learning, I think, takes place. What I've done in this app is when it's produced the code, you can also see that I've put comments in that actually explain to the students what each part of the code is doing. So here we've got the change code to black, which is when I brought over that block code and changed it to black. I could change that in Swift Code Black to back to white or to green, to blue. So you can edit this code directly in Swift Playgrounds. Here's the move forward. So I've also made little suggestions. Try changing the number to make the character move in one direction or another. So hopefully this is going to be a great tool for students to use from going from block code to Swift. Paul Hamilton here.